Hi everyone, today I'm gonna draw Ghost Meowscles from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna start with drawing a curved line across from the left to the right like that, and at both ends I'm gonna draw a triangular shape and then another triangular shape outside of that first triangle like that, and then on the right side I'm just gonna repeat those triangular shape on this side and another smaller triangular shape on the left side and a circle inside of that. Now on both sides of the ear I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and at the end of that curved line I'm gonna draw a small semicircle outwards. Same goes to the right side, and then I'm just gonna connect those two ending point with a semicircle downwards across to both points. Okay, now for the eyes I'm gonna take off of the center to the right. Here I'm gonna draw a line to the right and slightly upwards, and then from this point to the to upwards slightly to the right, and then mirror the two shapes on this side and then mirror those shape on the lower side. And then I'm just gonna continue to copy that eye to the left side here, and then like that. And for the mouth I'm gonna take the center point here and draw a semicircle to the right and repeat that to the left side. Now for the body we're gonna start with drawing the shoulders here. So I'm gonna take a point from the jaw on the right side, I'm gonna draw outwards, and then I'm just gonna curve it slightly downwards like that, and then I'm gonna draw the strap line from the shoulder downwards up to where the belt is. So I'm gonna stop there. Now for this, from the side of the arms I'm gonna draw the side of his chest here and the side of his tummy underneath, and then continuing back to the right arm I'm gonna draw a curved line for the inner line of the arms and outer line of the arm as well. And for the elbow I'm gonna add a small curved line at that corner, and then the lower part of the arms and the outer line, and then for his fingers. Okay, now we're gonna repeat everything for the left side. So we're gonna draw from this side of the face and go out and curve slightly downwards, and then I'm gonna draw the strap on this side, like that, and then this one, Now below the strap, I'm gonna draw a line across from the left side to the right side like that, and then on both sides I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then at the knee we're gonna draw a slightly curve inwards like that on both sides, and then here we're gonna continue that downwards. I'm just gonna go back to the belt, so I'm gonna draw a line across here, and slightly below that I'm gonna draw another line there, and then for the buckle I'm gonna draw a series of short lines down to the side, down to the side, down. Same goes to this side, and then on both sides of the belt I'm gonna draw a line across downwards like that, and another one. Same goes on this side, and then in the middle of the pants I'm gonna draw a line across like that, and then slightly off center of that line I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then curved lines downwards as well. Same goes on this side. And below the pants I'm gonna draw a curved line, and then on the sides I'm gonna draw a short curved line like that, and then another one below that, and the same goes on this side and below that, and join the two together across. And then for the shoes we're gonna do a line across like that, and then in the front I'm gonna draw like that, and then at the back of the shoes I'm gonna start at this point and do a curved line like that, and then in and then back out and there. And for the shoe tie we're gonna do a teardrop shape on both sides, one over here, and then inside another teardrop shape, and in the middle we're gonna draw a circle and then a teardrop on the other one. And for the strings on the side we're gonna draw lines like that. And for the front of the shoes I'm gonna draw a three worm shape like that, the second one and the third one. And from this point I'm gonna draw to the front a curved line, and then a semicircle to the front of the shoes. So now we're gonna connect the back part of the shoes to the front of the shoes with a curved line, and then on both front and the back of the shoes I'm gonna extend a short line downwards and trace that curved line on top from the back to the front. And I'm gonna add some details to these shoes, a short line there, and then followed by a curved line, and then repeat everything on the left side. Now on his pants, I'm gonna draw the scratches. So I'm gonna draw one over here, and the second one, and the third one there, and same on now at the side of the belt. I'm gonna draw the place where he put his weapons, so I'm gonna draw a line outwards across like that, and then turn that downwards and to the pants again, and then on top of that shape I'm gonna draw a line upwards like that and a line across inwards. Same goes to the right side. Like that. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw a line at the side, slightly off center to the side like that, and another one on the right, and in the middle of that two lines I'm gonna draw a semicircle like that, and then below, in between the straps from up down, on that point I'm gonna draw a line across like that, and then in the middle between the head and that line I'm gonna draw a straight line at the center here, and then below that chest line I'm gonna draw a curved line here across, and below that curve I'm gonna draw a short line in the center like that, and a curved line to both sides of the bottom part, and the whole thing I'm gonna repeat another one below. The last part that I'm gonna draw is the tail, and so I'm gonna take a point at the side of the pants and draw a series of curved lines, this time going out and then back inwards, and then as you reach the end of the pants you're gonna draw a semicircle, turn it back out and go up and in and up. And there you have it, Ghost Meowscles. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.